Welcome back, everybody. And yes, that thumbnail is 100% real. I am selling the Jeep Camper, and I am gonna pay half of the fuel bill of whoever buys this thing to take it on grand adventures to entirely new continents or to the Arctic Circle. So I wanna make sure whoever buys this thing takes it on big adventures and it doesn't just sit around in a garage somewhere. So for whoever buys this, if you drive it up to the Arctic Ocean, I am gonna send you $2,000, which will cover half of your fuel bill for that trip. Or if you drive the Pan American Highway and you reach all the way to the bottom of Argentina, I will send you $4,000, which is half of the fuel bill to drive the entire Pan American. I was able to take this thing to 3 continents, 12 different countries. I'd love to see someone take it to more. So that's why I'm doing that. That's why I want to incentivize someone to go and take it on big adventures, which is exactly why I built the thing. So this has been by far and away the best adventure vehicle that I've ever owned. And to be perfectly honest with you, I thought you'd have to pry it out of my cold, dead hands. But the reality is our little daughter is just getting too big and too rambunctious. This is an amazing 1 or 2 person camper. This is not a 3-person camper. I have to face the reality, it doesn't work for our growing family. So I have to part with it, which is really sad, but at the same time, I want to make it happy and fun. So I want to see someone else take it on big adventures and go to incredible destinations. So you guys have seen all of the build videos, you know what it's all about. As well as that, down in the description, there's a link to the Expedition portal thread where I'm selling it. So I've got a ton of photos on there and I've got a ton of information about the Jeep for sale. All the details, the price, where it is, how you can come and see it, how you can test drive it, all of that. It is in Canada right now. It's a really easy import into the US. It is 50 state emissions legal. All of that stuff, I'm happy to work with prospective buyers to figure out. And this vehicle can be yours and you can drive it all the way on the Pan American Highway. I'll pay half your fuel bill. So don't forget, link in the description, Expedition portal, that's where all the info is. Send me a message, ask for more videos, ask for more details. I'm happy to tell you absolutely everything about it. And I really hope that it finds a new home with someone who wants to take it on big adventures.